find that the applicant managed to discharge the onus solely placed on him to show this court on a balance of probabilities that the interest of justice permits his release. And secondly, I further find that if released, based on what I found, he is likely to pose as a flight risk, and references herein made to the ID documents evidence that escalates such a likelihood, and also towards evasion of trial. Thirdly, his past conduct overlapping to his current one in the application for bail revealed false evidence being presented before court. And fourthly, he displayed wanton disregard of the law through Exhibit C, his affidavit in respect of an agent application to the High Court, Pretoria. I dismiss the application of the applicant herein to be released on bail.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So leader of one faction of the International Pentecostal Holiness Church, Bheki Muzi Mike Sandlana, has been denied bail and will remain behind bars for the next 3 months. Now Sandlana on Monday today appeared before the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court. He is facing 19 counts of corruption and money laundering. The charges stem from allegations that he orchestrated a bribery scheme to influence the judiciary in a decade-long battle for control at the church's multi-billion rand IPC estate. The National Prosecuting Authority alleges that between 2021 and 2022, Sandlana and church spokesperson Vusindala funneled approximately 2.4 million rand to Gauteng High Court Judge Portia Phahlane. Prosecutors claims payments were made where corruption gratification intended to ensure that Judge Phahlane ruled in Sandlana's favor in several matters related to the IPHC succession dispute. Now, while Sandlana remains in custody, his co-accused have already secured their release on bail. Judge Portia Phahlane was granted 50,000 rands bail with strict conditions, including surrendering her passport and a ban from entering any High Court building. Kagiso Phahlane and Vusindala were both released on bail of 10,000 rands each during their initial appearance in late November. Now, the state has signaled its intent to vigorously oppose Sandlana's release. Now, during Sandlana's previous appearances, crowds of IPHC congregants dressed in their signature uniform held vigils chanting Rebatla Tau, meaning we want the lion. Now, the case continues to cast a shadow over the South African judiciary, with Chief Justice Mandisa Maya having already placed Judge Phahlane on special leave to safeguard the integrity of the courts. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, like this video to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.